Today I'm going to show you how to add a cookie banner to your site on Squarespace step by step. This is an important setup if you want to be transparent with your visitors about tracking, privacy, and cookie usage, and it can also help your site feel more professional and compliant. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're inside your account, go straight to Settings. This is where Squarespace keeps the site-wide controls that affect your privacy and compliance options. Inside Settings, look for the Website section and then click on Cookies and Data Privacy. This is the area where you can manage your cookie banner and the options that appear for your visitors. When the cookie and data privacy settings open, you'll see the main control for your banner. The first thing you need to do is switch on the toggle next to Display Cookie Banner. As soon as this is enabled, Squarespace will start showing the cookie banner on your site, letting visitors know that your website uses cookies or tracking tools. Next, let's go through the banner options so you can customize how it works. The first option is the Accept button. This is usually always active and it allows users to opt into tracking. In simple terms, this is the button visitors can click if they agree to your site's cookie usage. If you want to give people a clear way to reject non-essential cookies, turn on the Decline All button. This is a useful option because it gives visitors an explicit choice to say no to tracking that isn't necessary for the site to function. If you care about transparency and user control, this is a strong setting to enable. You can also turn on the Manage Cookies button. When this is active, visitors can open a submenu where they can check or uncheck different cookie preferences. That means they get more control over which types of cookies they allow or restrict, which is especially helpful if your site uses multiple tracking tools or analytics services. Now scroll down to the Disclaimer Text section. This is where you can edit the message that appears inside your cookie banner. Keep it simple, clear, and easy to understand. Explain that your site uses cookies, what they're used for, and how visitors can manage their preferences. You don't need to make it overly complicated. Just make sure it's honest and user-friendly. One really important part here is adding a link to your privacy policy. Inside the Disclaimer text editor, use the internal link icon to connect the text to your privacy policy page. This helps visitors quickly find more details about how their data is used, and it makes your cookie banner more complete and professional. Once you've reviewed the settings, make sure everything is saved properly. Then visit your website preview or live site to confirm the banner is showing the way you want. Check that the buttons display correctly, the disclaimer reads well, and the privacy policy link works as expected. And that's it. You've now added a cookie banner to your Squarespace site. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference in how your site handles privacy and visitor consent. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.